Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is International MSME Day, 27th June. International MSME Day is observed every year on 27th June all over the world to highlight the significance of MSMEs. The United Nations designated 27th June as MSME Day by passing a resolution in the United Nations General Assembly in 2017. The day is observed each year to highlight the significance of MSMEs and how they play a crucial role in being the backbone of the country's economy. The theme for International MSME Day 2024 is Leveraging Power and Resilience of Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, that is MSMEs, to accelerate sustainable development and eradicate poverty in times of multiple crises. Significance of International MSME Day. This day holds special significance because it generates employment and eradicates poverty. According to the United Nations, MSMEs contribute to 90% of businesses, including 70% of employment and 50% of the GDP across the world. MSMEs make up 90% of all the firms. With such a significant contribution to the country's economy, MSMEs are essential for the job creation, innovation, and productivity growth. Despite MSME's significance, it faces multiple challenges, and the most basic is access to finance. Now let's discuss about MSME. MSME stands for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. These are small and medium businesses that produce, process and preserve goods and commodities and do not usually employ more than 250 employees. According to MSME Act 2006, revised classification 1st July 2020, micro enterprise means the business has an investment not more than rupees 1 crore and an annual turnover not more than rupees 5 crore. Small enterprise means investment not more than rupees 10 crore and an annual turnover not more than rupees 50 crore. And medium enterprise means investment not more than rupees 50 crore and an annual turnover not more than rupees 250 crore. Now is the time for practice question. On which day is International MSMEs Day observed every year? 25th June, 26th June, 27th June or 28th June? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।